Kartel Mavado, I link with the think little chinky, if you watch it.
I think it's for the money.
The most bad-minded person or bad-minded human being in a dancehall.
All of a fire then double D. And anything as a miss we touch a beach. Air Force white like rice when they just peas.
Right, YaJam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Remember, if for your first time I check out YaJam TV, we just ask you to subscribe to the channel. Please and thanks. Enough respect, people. Alright, so in this episode, we have VYbz Kartel and Mavado link up over there in Miami, you know, people. Yeah, man, superstar link up one night time, you know. Big link up. I have to go check it out and see what go on. So me I did be a current kick on the ground, you know, people. Be a star, Bounty Killer night place, Gargamel night place, DJ Khaled video shoot one night time, you know. So I have to go see what go on for that. But we have Foota Hype I come out and I say, yo, the link up no real, you know, people. Jano Star, the G, I say, yo, the link up not connect. Him not feel it, so I've got hear the reason as to why him I said that, you know. Yeah, man, we also have Flexx a clap back neatly and I say, yo, the G, turn off one night time. So we have got ear Flexx reason and ear my deed with that, you know. Yeah, man, we also have Aidonia touchdown in a Chirac. Yeah, man, you know, people did it touchdown in a Chicago, you know, and shell off a stage show neatly, you know. We have to go check it out and see what go on for that. You see me I did? We also have Bounty Killer fly out private people. Yeah, man, the general fly private, you know, 5-star lifestyle fee, 5-star general. You see what go on? Yeah, man, so we have to go check it out and see what go on for that flight there and see how the general did it. You see me I did? Yeah, man, but we'll kick it off first with the link up with Kartel and Mavado.
Regular with
You know what thing?
I'm to that. What is under my nose?
I'm out. How do you go?
Ready, Rush. Ready, in the complex. What are we dealing?
So you see link up go on the side of people, Kartel and Mavado, that after how much years that, after how much class song and war and rivalry, the link still make and the link still big. You see what I did? At the end of the day, I just music, people. I have to remember that, I have to keep that in mind. I just music, yeah, man. And I know normal people. You see what I did? Yeah, so now we have Foota come out and I say, yo, he not really believe that the link up a go on is a genuine link up. He not believe says an article link up. You must say, yo, I for likes and for money and bagger thing, bagger ray, people. Hear the reasoning.
Make us speak on the good side and the bad side. The good side is the reunion, is the embracing each other and everything. But the bad side about it is the hypocrisy. Man, listen to me, you know. I remember me used to this for when me speak the truth, people spin it and say what they want to say. It's a great thing for the union. But you know how would I accept that union are better? You see, if Bounty Killer did say, yo, Mavado link up, Kartel link up, Buju link up, everybody feel good, and it happen, would I feel way more proud. You see, VYbz Kartel, it's a Jano star. You know, so I come from jail and, yo, no bad vibes. Killer, Mavado, Buju, and it work, would I proud. You see, Buju did say, Killer, Mavado, Kartel, and come in, make a reason, hold back a vibe, and it happen, would I feel better. Nah, blame Khaled for nothing. Khaled is doing the right thing. He might do what suit him, and it'll work. But the hypocrisy is, why them no want do it? You know much bad man, you know much Dan, bad man, promoter, politician, friend, brother, cousin, sister try for this happen. You know much years people are trying to make everybody come together, so couldn't happen. So is it truly genuine? Or is it opportunity based? Is it brotherly love? Or is it love for opportunity and love for money? Those are the magic questions, you know. Is it a union based on brotherly love? Is it because I truly love this other artist as my brother why we are here? Or is it because of the catalyst, DJ Khaled? Is it because of what DJ Khaled brings? Is it because of the power of DJ Khaled's pen when him sign a signature? Is it because we know say if we do that song for Khaled, it's sure to sell 1 million copy? Is that why? Is it because Khaled can pick up the phone and call Jay-Z and we in contact with Jay-Z? Or Khaled can pick up the phone and call Rihanna and we in connection with Rihanna? Or Khaled can just pick up the phone and talk to Russell Simmons? Is it because of that? Or is it because we love dancehall? Or is it because we truly love each other? Those are the magic questions. No, people, when me talk, me I go talk the reality. I know 1 done or 2 done or 3 done or 4 done or politician, police. It can't happen. No matter who try for the link happen, it can't happen. Cannot happen. So is it truly love and union for the culture? Or is it an opportunist thing? Is it money? Because if I just for the money, then it don't make sense, it not gonna last, you know. If I just for the money, it won't last. Somebody say if me did that there's an original man, if the views would have be the same. My views are, if you are going to unite to the culture, it must be natural. Me must really feel like me want to make bygones be bygones because me see you as a human being who me rate. You understand? Or me see you as somebody who me love and respect. And we have a bad days but a brighter days now. You understand? And that it for be. It not for be because I want opportunity. It not for be because I want piece of food there. It not for be because Jano, this is a big look and we have to sell a platinum with that song because I Khaled that put it out. You get what I'm saying? Una get what me really say? For me, based on what me know, and the amount of people try for everybody link up, and it never happened before, I think it's for the money.
Yeah, people, so you must say, no feel a link up there really, no, you must say, the link up doesn't look genuine at all. You must say, it look like it's a likes link up that are, it's a things link up that is what me I did, yeah, man. So, you must say, oh, the link up there, it should have been done by the general themselves, you see it. Yeah, you must say, the link up there should have done by the ones them who did try to do it from the first place. The producer them, all the big names, I mean, the music, you must say, it should have been done from then time there. But nothing happened before time, and it just take the right moment for everything connect. You have to remember that too, you see it. So if I saw Foota Hype, if I just know say yo, I say my pre, you say me I did, but Flexx I come back and say yo, him a pre wrong, him a pre bad, you know, be a things Flexx attack. Listen, you must say people.
The most bad-minded person or bad-minded human being in a dancehall. You understand? Because them claim for say, and them make everybody rich. We're in the circle like in a dancehall. So all them not rich yet. All them still suffer and broke. And I watch everything where people do and still attack. But me can say this and say this proudly because none of them never do nothing for me. And none of them never help me. Them try help me down and try mash me up, but it not work because I'm me name Flexx in the complex. You understand what I say? In a real life. So me have a big up bounty killer. One general in a dancehall from them time that till now. And nobody make me know you. And nobody make me know you. You understand what I say? Big up Tyrical too. You don't know the thing of foundation. You understand what I say? Enough of them. Me can say me was one of the proud youth them with their own bounty killer before even some man. So some man can't take some man come round bounty killer come see me as an uptown youth from Grand Spend.
Yeah, family, so that a Flexx in the complex. Long time gully side artist that people. Whole heap of years the man that rep gully side, from the start, the man that did Vado, the man that say Vado to the world. So me I did, yeah man, if me not wrong, the man that I give my Vado them name too. Yeah man, cause my Vado don't know the name Singing Blocks before, but Flexx father and say Vado, and from that gone to the world. You see me I did long time night, man. You might tell us say him no killer from long time, whole heap of years. So I said the talk of Foota make him never rate it. Him never rate that talk at all. So I have to come out and make that be known. Burn a fire one at a time. You see me I did? Yeah man. So now we check out Bounty Killer, fly out private, people. 5-star lifestyle, Check it out, I will see what I want.
Killer! Bounty Killer! Warlord! God is the greatest! Yeah man!
Oh, you stay over there. Yo.
Yeah, people, so that a Bounty Killer, Roddy Price, 5-star general, see settings, private jet. Yeah, man, you see kill and the entourage roll out, and I not normal, people, and I just kill and roll private, the whole entourage roll private too. You see, willful, skillful, they one at a time. One giant, you see it, yeah, man, the dog and I roll inside way. You don't know, road manager they to one at a time, so you don't know the settings, have to turn up, it loud, people. But now, like, rate the move, killers, I want to ever bring youth and a boss youth, rate that move there. So, I did big up the killer, yeah, man. So now we are check out Aidonia over there in Chicago, people. The G touchdown over Chirac one at a time for a bad little stage show in Bonita and all a mad energy one at a time. Check it out.
See them attack, say them bad in the dog, away fuck.
The rhythm still a beat, right? So we go for it. So this bad, jump hard.
Big yard, away fuck. Punish town, way fuck. Junglist, way fuck.
Don't eat.
Fuse, pussy and no mouth talk, man. Use you can't start World War III with one.
Yeah.
15 beat.
Ladies and gentlemen, I need to put your hands together and welcome on stage live in Chicago. Aidonia. Everybody shout. Come here for this meeting. Chicago, go.
When a bad song drop, gun pop off, shoot up the dance. Me just go fi boom la la lang, le 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 le. She want the long body, la la lang, le 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 le. You can't stand the la la lang, le 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 le. She want the long body. Clean clothes with a dirty steel. As a bad man party, for real. Fuck up the road in a sit up fast, buggy speed. I'm a pocket full of mullah in a Chuck E. Cheese. All of my fire then double D. And anything as a miss we touch a beach. Air Force white like rice when they no see peas. Mad them out and you no see peas. Them say did you a fuckery. If you can't manage I don't touch your way. In IT me have 30 piece. 9 bind you but call them public teeth. New York style in a things and touch a beat. If it Bronx to the bridge and touch a queens. My girl don't agree. Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Yeah, people, so that I do there in Chicago. Circle in Chicago one night time for a bad stage show. See say hold it off and bully beef it one night time for your fans them, Don't know when Diddy was stage show, the man that go hard, the man that put in the energy and the effort to get a top tier performance each and every time. So big up I do enough for that. You see this look up freestyle my drop in the last half, there's some people a bad piece of freestyling. You hear them lyrics and them lyrics that connect, them lyrics that punch. We can't get that in our song any day now. We can't see that I go on anytime soon. You see it? Yeah, man, remember Jam TV first say, yeah, bad piece of freestyle. Yo, so now we are check out Beenie. Him do a look at interview recently with Jenny. She asked him about this song where Angel do the Angel song on the 2-time rhythm. Yo, it a go on, people, so look like Beenie get wind of the song and him never too rate it. So hear him response.
Well, I'm a father, I love all of my kids. Them. And all of them
but
love
we hear one
music.
song where say that you're hard in another child's life. So
No,
you know that song?
No. The song that?
Play the song, Zebo.
Because I do tell me one from foot. Single mother do you day, yeah, yeah. Me feel like you know something to save me. All that.
Before we go to the brain.
No, do not play that song.
Oh, okay. But you asked which song. They must have said any day.
No, I don't know that song. Because
so
I am
all your lives.
always in my kids' life. Always. Like 100%. So anybody say that, I lie them at.
Anybody sing that, I lie them at you.
Anybody will sing that, I lie them at. So if you talk about Messiah,
you're not aware of
I
this
talk
song?
about Moses Jr., I talk about Marcoline, okay, I lie Shattel. Lie at that. That lie at that. That's why I lie Shattel.
Don't start up being so,
Yeah.
so everything in the song that is she alone and you don't know that is going to be here is not true.
I lie Shattel.
So don't play the song.
It have nothing to do with me. It have nothing to do with me. To whoever write that song that's here. And she sing that song. It's not about her song or about me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Daddy. So I'm very happy to know because once it is you talking about other children, want to make sure you're not in a hypocritical space.
No, man, me not play them game now.
All right, nice. So Daddy.
Father's Day, me a Marcadina palm.
Oh, praise the Lord.
What is?
I'm glad.
Yeah, people say that a Beenie Man and Jenny. Here, man, it's a look funny situation going there, so Jenny and Beenie Man on the program, so she decided to call him out live and spot body the Angel song, the single mother song on the 2-time rhythm. You know it, I get a buzz in the street, so Jenny asked him about the lyrics, so yo, what that? Beenie said, nothing like that, fiction, you know. All them get support from him and him dead, you see it. But you don't know, them have them different views on how the youth should like be upbrought and everything, so different view, different mindset, you understand how that all go. You have opposing views and whatnot. So you don't know that part they got people. But if you make it through to the end of the episode, I just want to big you up and tell you thanks for watching the entire vlog. Yeah man, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Catch you in our next episode. Man.